bit dark out here, but let's have a bit of the unveil. Wah, wah, wah.
Hang on.
Bum 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 bum.
She's alive.
Look at that beauty. Have you been out here polishing it?
I'm always polishing it.
Right, let's have a quick look around this side. Probably get a better view of the interior. Like a, I don't want to say tartan, like a dog tooth.
It's just like a dog tooth check, yeah, with like
check.
tartan in as well. But
Can't really see the.
I'm going to keep the original grey on the door cards because I like the grey interior. I've got a black dash, but I'm going to keep the grey dash.
Yes, I like it. Like the old classic retro look, especially when it's in good nick like this.
It's even got the old stereo.
Usually when you see them, like all the bolsters have ripped out on you.
Yeah, they're a little worn, but they're not too bad.
Beaut.
ZX steering wheel.
Got the only thing that's not original is the can't really make it out in the.
The head unit's not original. That's the logo on it.
Would it have had a CD player back in the day, wouldn't it? 8-track or
it's cassette. It's cassette. It is a cassette in it, but I've found an adapter to go into the back of it from the aux in, so I can run an MP3 through it or an iPod through it.
Nice ZX wheel there. Yeah. Steering wheel. Beautiful. Let's have a look at the.
Range up to 9,000.
Need a light in here though to show. Show the retro
spotlight,
dash.
Don't we? Do you get a spotlight? Don't we?
Nice sunroof. Original to the model.
Original to this model.
Optional factory extra.
It is actually classed as a factory Pulsar. It's Nissan Sunny, but it's actually classed as a Sunny Pulsar, which it's quite rare. Came with one wing mirror, steel wheels, but full electric windows, and a 5-speed box.
Seems a bit odd.
Yeah, and grey bumpers is the original.
But now they're colour coded.
All colour coded with Toyota A86 rear pods.
Rear pods on that bad boy. Nicely polished.
Yeah.
The Smith's wheels.
Smith's wheels all the way from South Africa.
South African.
1996.
Beautiful.
All rebuilt with a metal flake in them. So it was a similar finish to what we're going to get on the Toyota.
You don't have the caps in at the minute though, do you?
No, some caps I'm going to keep off because you can't get them anymore. So I'll just put them on for shows, etc. You can see the flake in there. That's a similar effect we're going to get on the Toyota wheels.
It's quite hard to pick up the flake.
You probably can't pick it up, can you? Looks nice in the sun.
Beautiful.
Lovely. Through the interior. Oh, fall over the ladders.
Nice new mats you got.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? It's air freshener from the old Auto Finesse peeps.
Yeah.
Ripping a bit of Auto Finesse.
VIP
supplies. Style knot as well.
Yeah. All handmade.
All handmade. Who made them?
That would be me.
That'd be you.
All hand stitched.
Beautiful.
Oh look, they match the car.
Colour match there.
Nice the colour match.
Is that flame red, is it? Or no, it's not flame red. What's
hot red.
Hot red.
Nissan 526 hot red.
And a camouflage Converse to suit.
Can you see my feet? They disappeared. And we have CA18 DE, not T. Standard in the Sunny ZX hatch with limited slip diff. But I've got the DET plenum and throttle body. Gives a few more ponies.
It's a cheeky bit more ponies there.
Yeah.
Sucking in a bit more air.
4-branch manifold.
Yeah, it's your custom 4-branch.
It's only mild steel. I'd like to get a stainless one made eventually. But we'll see. Epoxy air filter.
It's a thing of beauty.
Catch can.
Custom made brackets.
Custom made brackets. Custom made brackets there. Oil filter, oil dipstick, not oil filter, oil dipstick. Throttle bracket. It's a white line strut brace.
Quite a few hours worth of labour has been poured into that.
Runs quite nice now.
A little catch can.
Yeah. Braided fuel lines front to back.
Painted gearbox as well.
Yeah.
Just to keep it plush with the engine as well.
Yeah. Stainless steel bolts all throughout.
Any particular nuts of choice that you've had?
Only the tasty ones.
Only the tasty variety. done a bit of engine smoothing as well, haven't
A little bit of smoothing, yeah. Moved all the electrics into behind the wing. Smoothed the other side, removed the airbox. And the battery is now in the boot. Instead of being in the front.
Shall we have a look at the boot? Look at that. What does that read?
Pulsar. It's a Pulsar.
Nice strut brace at the back there and a Nissan badge.
Yeah.
What's that lurking about in the back there?
That would be a voltmeter.
Voltmeter.
So I'll turn that on there. Turn the switch on over here. And there you get the voltage. 12.2, so it has dropped a little bit. And then we have on here,
Pretty light.
very 1990s.
Love it. Just
Battery in the boot.
illuminating the custom fitted
Custom made box.
battery box.
Yeah. Turn off the neons. Turn that off. Cut off switch.
Cut off switch there.
Still waiting for another rear plastic.
Just in the parcel shelf there.
Yeah. And Nissan badge set in.
Nissan badge set into the parcel.
I've got to find something to do, put in these vents to make them look a little neater. I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet.
Got a little chrome.
Yeah, make something
finishing.
out, some chrome finishing things, maybe get something laser cut or 3D printed or whatever.
Showing the level of detail of polishing on the inside of the boot itself.
Oh, you got to go all out, haven't you?
Our OCD polisher Matt.
And the bolts. Polish
He
your
loves
bolts
to
up.
polish.
I'm going to polish your bolts.
Polish your bolts up.
And then we got.
Got the English style reg plate there. But
This is
for
a
show.
JDM actual number plate housing via Greece.
But for shows,
Yeah.
you got that bad boy that goes in there. Very nice.
I believe this says tuning. I'm using it as a logo, so I'm hoping it does say tuning. It
Perhaps
may
someone
say-
can
Yeah, if somebody can actually
that can read.
Japanese kanji, can say yes, it does say tuning. If it doesn't, then
Means beef stroganoff actually.
you know my T-shirts say beef stroganoff or fried rice. So we don't know.
Right, we're going to give it a go at turning
Give
the
it a
bad
try.
boy
Well,
over.
It's not been run for a while, so it's going to probably run a bit fast. ECU, the self-learning ECU, is going to take a while for it to pick up, then it'll be able to come down.
What's
I
the
don't
revs at now at the minute?
3,000, so it should be running at 1,500 on a cold start. But I don't want to die of carbon monoxide poisoning.
Wait a sec. Have a listen to this bad boy. God, that is loud. Oh, mama! That's one loud sucker!
That is loud, isn't it? So when the ECU is actually self-learned and whatever, then
It's got to acclimatise, isn't it?
yeah.
The
And then
ECU.
it'll probably want a final timing check and a tune-up just to make sure it's all.
You haven't got a fuel map thing for it, have you? You haven't got
No,
anything set
on
for-
this, no, it's not that type of ECU. It's old-fashioned. I think the actual.
Is it the standard?
readouts-
Is it the same Nissan standard ECU?
It's the
that you've
standard
got?
ECU for the DE engine, yeah. I quite like the look
Quite
of
like
the.
the old natural aspiration.
Yeah, I know it's only probably maximum 130, 150 brake horsepower with a few mods, but it's alright.
What is it with turbo?
Turbo over 200, sometimes you go up to 400. It's got viscous, it's limited slip diff, so it might be alright.
You can have the
I've
classic.
seen there's some guys in Greece have got these with the turbo engine in them, and they go for like 400, 500 brake horsepower.
You'll have the classic haters though. People that want to keep it standard.
Yeah,
to what
it's
it's
far
from.
beyond standard now though, isn't it, for a
Yeah,
saloon? It's not even nowhere near. And boy, it stinks in here already, doesn't it?
lovely stuff. Yeah. Love the smell of
Carcinogenics.
love the smell of unburnt gasoline in the morning.